Sandipan, it's a good one.
Bolo.
It's a very good request has been come from Daniel. So,
Daniel, yes.
can you share your experience with the hardest project you ever worked on? How was it like?
Oh, hey, this is a very tough question, Daniel. Actually, what happened that every single every day is challenging, and every output is very challenging for us. So this is very difficult to tell you, but yeah, I can. I don't know which one is the hardest one. This is very difficult to measure. But yeah, I can share you one thing that recently I have joined the Technicolor just in the last January. Before that, I was in Rhythm and Hughes. So I shifted to Bangalore last what is that called in January. Started in the MEAL, the Technicolor group, and my parents was here in Bangalore for 1 month, and I'm a bachelor. So my parents was here for 1 month. They left end of January in a Sunday, and another project starts from the first week, and till the March end, February and March end, I didn't took a single day off. Even the weekends also. Every day I came from office by 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock in the morning, and went to office by the morning by 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, because there will be a call in every day by 10 o'clock with Chicago. So I have to attend that as a senior artist. So recently, and the output was, as I spoke to you, that the commercial has a very limited time limit. We have limited budget and limited everything is very limited, resources, everything. So we have. I mean, it was like after that 2 months, when I got a weekend off, it was like, oh my god, my room was a mess. It took maybe 3 to 4 days to arrange my room and all. But yeah, the mental satisfaction which I got after to deliver the projects, that is the next level thing. Yeah, we all artists have this kind of pain with us. So we enjoy the process whenever we got any tough deadline or something. Maybe you also experience the same, Daniel.